Perfect Service Heating and Air Conditioner, we offer all kinds of residential HVAC services, like services on your air conditioning, services on your heat, maintenance plans, any sort of indoor air quality things you were to need, like duct cleaning, air purification systems, or even permanent filters. If you look below, you'll see headers that will take you to any corresponding links to any of the services that we offer. Then all you have to do is pick up the phone and give us a call. Thank you.